Let's take a celebration for the new city center.
For the... Ayan. New City Center, Miss Ana Simayuga. Ayun.
San Jose del Monte, Bulacan.
San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Abangan nyo ang bagong
Oh,
City
yes.
Center ng San Jose del Monte, Bulacan.
Yes.
Yan, Stockies. Alright. Oh, igiling-giling. Yan, 43 to 43. Pwede na. Pwede na. Uy, mga ka-New Lifers! Ayan, nandiyan pala ka! Ay, this is Boyong De Leon. Ayun, ang company speaker, character actor, ambassador ng New Lifestyle. Ayan. So, mga ka-New Lifers, meron akong good news, great news, and amazing news. Ayan. Pag-usapan natin ang City Center Stockies. Ito yung ang puhunan ay 200,000. Pero ang matatanggap mong produkto, ayan, ito ang matatanggap mong produkto. Sa 200,000, makakatanggap ka ng 285,000 na produkto. Panalo o panalong panalo? O, diba? Panalo ka rito. Biruin mo, namuhulang ka ng 200,000 pero ang produkto mo na matatanggap ay 285,000. Meron ka kagad na 85,000 na ROI. Ayun. So, at ang good news pa rito, mga distributor, mga ka-New Lifers, kapag ikaw ay nakahanap ng isang City Center Stockies, ikaw ay kasama ka agad sa Boracay! Sa ano yun, 2025, first quarter ng 2025, tara at mag-enjoy tayo sa Boracay. Ako ang speaker doon. Ayun, ayan. So, mga ka-good vibes, magganap lang tayo, mga ka-New Lifers, ng mag-City Center Stockies ng 200,000. Tiyak na kasama ka sa Boracay. At hindi lang ikaw, pati yung center Stockies kasama rin. Dalawa kayo kasama. Ayan ang promo. O, di ba? First 30 lang yun. Kapag pang 31 ka na, wala. Hindi ka na makakasama. Doon ka na lang sa buntot ng eroplano. Okay. So, una lang ito, makahanap na 30 person lang ang kailangan nakasama doon. Okay, meron doon team building, mag-enjoy ka ron. Ayan ang promo. Dalawa kayo kasama pagka nakahanap ka ng City Center Stockies. O, di ba? So, ano ba ang benepisyo na makuha mo kapag ikaw ay nakahanap? Magkakaroon ka ng finder's fee na 25,000 pesos. Solo mong kita yung kung ikaw mismo nag-present. Pero kapag ikaw ay nagsama ng presenter like Boyong De Leon at ako nag-present, dalawa tayo maghahati sa 25,000. Take 12,500 tayo. O, di ba? Hati ng presenter at ng direct sponsor ang finder's fee. Ngayon, ituloy natin ang pag-uusap sa City Center Stockies. Ang sabi rito, gusto mo ba maging healthier, wealthier, and happier? Tara, magnegosyo tayo at mas umasenso. Our new lifestyle wellness and direct selling business, the non-traditional wellness franchise business at kumita ng residual or passive income the simplest way, the new lifestyle way. Ayan. So, pag-usapan na natin, city or town or tinatawag na EPC, business package. Pay only 200,000 with more than 285,000 worth of products and freebies. Receive and enjoy the following new lifestyle health and wellness products and freebies. Makakatanggap ka ng 32, yan, 32 na bonanza package at 10 reseller business package. Yan. Yung 32 business package, yun ay nagkakalaga ng 160,000. At yung 10 reseller package ay nagkakalaga ng 25,000. Plus, receive and enjoy the following new lifestyle health products retail items worth 103,000. Okay? So, makakatanggap ka pa ng 40 boxes of vitamin C, 40 bottles of glutathione na nagkakalaga na total na 102,800. Yan ang mga matatanggap mo. Yun! Plus, receive and enjoy the following freebies. 8 pouches of New Lifestyle Insulin Coffee, 8 bottles New Lifestyle Massage Aromatic Oil, 3 New Lifestyle Polo Shirt, free 1 presentation tarpaulin big, 1 retail tarpaulin big, free 25 products brochure, free 25 complan brochure, and free new lifestyle marketing training and support system. Yan. So, dito sa City Center Stockies, ang Stockies ay makakatanggap ng 40% discount on the repeat purchase. 40%? Naku, napakalaki nun. Earn 500 outright cash rebates for every Bonanza business package and earn 250 outright cash rebates for every reseller business package. Oh, di ba? Napakasimple lang ng detalye ng City Center Stockies. So, mga ka-good vibes, mga ka-new lifers, so what are you waiting for? This is Boyong De Leon saying, magnegosyo na at umasenso sa new lifestyle. Tandaan, hindi nyo malalaman na napakaganda ng negosyo kung hindi nyo susubukan. Boyong De Leon saying, bye-bye!
Nag-uumpisa ka na bang magkaroon ng karamdaman? Or you just like to take extra care of yourself? Prevention is better than cure. To be healthier, younger, and happier, protect yourself from harmful free radicals and toxins. Take New Lifestyle Global Wellness Inc.'s world-class products to feel and experience the goodness of life. We have 1. New Lifestyle C. Sodium ascorbate with zinc alkaline, non-acidic, vitamin C with minerals. 100% made from alkaline forming fresh fruits and vegetable for only 990 pesos. 2. New Lifestyle Glutathione with Collagen. Also made of 100% all-natural ingredients for only 1,580 pesos. 3. 1 Upset New Lifestyle C and Glutathione for only 2,570 pesos. helps strengthen the immune system, boosts energy, has antioxidants, anti-stress, anti-aging, and anti-inflammatory properties. Also help fight diseases like cancer, diabetes, heart disease, and more. Pwede sa bata, buntis, matanda, may karamdaman o wala. Philippine FDA and halal approved, as testified by our increasing number of satisfied and happy users nationwide, including our very own new lifestyle company medical consultants, Dr. Ariel T. Baira and Dr. Jose M. Oclarit. You can also be a new lifestyle distributor and enjoy only income and savings and discounts up to 40%. Order now from our registered new lifestyle distributor.